Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, we are gonna be picking up a full 15-inch drag pack for the 2-valve Mustang. I'm pretty excited about this because these are the wheels I exactly wanted to get for the car, and in the right specs too, with the correct backspace, which is very hard to do when trying to get wheels for a new edge Mustang. Most of the time when you try to find wheels, especially on Facebook, they're always in Fox Body fitment or they're S197 fitment. Found one, or I should say a set of wheels that are new edge Mustang fitment, and they're the wheels I wanted to get, so we're gonna go ahead and pick those up right now. Let me know down in the comment section right now what you think the wheels are. I've kind of teased them. No, they're not race stars. No, they're not SVEs. They're actually some legitimate wheels that are gonna offer some real weight reduction. So yeah, let's get a cold start and get on the way. All right, let's get a cold start. Outrun the storm that's supposed to happen, but if not, we gotta drive safe. All right, I'm gonna pull up to the gas station right now. I gotta top this car off. Whew. Damn, it's packed, and there's a dude on a drag pack up here. Holy shit, look at this. I wonder who this is. All right, just got gas. Come on, baby. All right. I don't know if you guys saw, but god damn, there was a nice 10-speed on a tire here. Typical Texas fashion. Every gas station you pull up to, there's some type of race car there. But let's go ahead and embark on this journey. Hopefully, you can go ahead and outrun the storm that may or may not be coming. It is Houston, so it may come, it may not. Oh, he's turning to get gas, bet. Excited to get these wheels, man, because I've wanted these wheels for so long on this car. To be honest with you, when I had the white car, I kind of wish I got these instead, because I think it would have looked a lot better, and on top of that, it actually would have been cheaper. So I think I'm making the right move with getting these for this car, because it is black. So these wheels are gonna complement it perfectly, in my personal opinion. Whew. go ahead and get them, actually, I ain't gonna spoil it till I actually get there. Because if I start talking about what I'm gonna do, it's gonna be quite obvious what wheels they are. But I like them. Hope you guys like them. And if you guys don't like them, oh well. But yeah, man, I'll meet you guys up when I get closer to the spot, because obviously with all the road noise, I'm not trying to put you guys through that, and it's gonna be a decent journey. I gotta kind of go back to where I used to stay at and further, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit, unless, you know, somebody wants to go ahead and have some fun.
A few moments later.
All right, so we are closing in on our destination. Luckily, we were able to miss, or the rain just didn't hit as hard as I thought it was going to. We just got, you know, a spot shower where it rained for like 5 minutes and then stopped. Was nothing crazy. Hopefully on the way back, we can go ahead and have the same thing happen where we missed the storm, or it just, you know, spot shower. But we're about to pull up. Really happy I didn't bring the Shelby out, because the roads out here are pretty bad. I did come out this way a couple months ago. Ooh, shit, that was like a huge dragonfly or something like that. But I did come out this way a couple months ago, and I did say when I did come out here, I didn't record it, but I was like, man, I'm really glad I did not take the Shelby. So glad we're in this car, and I think I'll be able to fit all the wheels where the passenger seat would be, and obviously in the back. Even though I don't really care about the rear seats, I mean, they're in bad condition anyway, it don't really matter. But I think I'll be able to fit everything. I definitely don't want to put anything in the trunk, that's for damn sure, because you know, all that battery acid back there, and I don't really want to have the wheels in there because it gets scuffed up. So we're about to pull up. I think, yeah, in like 2 minutes we should be pulling up. Woo! Yeah, this is like way out, man. This is like in the middle of nowhere, Texas, for real. Like, I've been in like the middle of nowhere, Texas before, but like this is like, there's like nothing around. Like the nearest town's probably like 15-20 minutes away, and then it's just nothing but road. This is like when people say, yeah, Texas, you know, you'll be in Houston, or like, you know, Houston, Texas, but it feels like you're driving forever to get to your location, and that's true because Texas is so big. Like, I've been on this road for probably almost an hour now, legitimately. Yeah, I don't even take the toll road to get here, which honestly I kind of wish I did. I'm definitely going to take the toll road to get back, because these roads are ass. There's construction that I did go ahead and had to go through, and that really backed everything up. Like, realistically, it's like, it's 12:30 right now. I could have probably been on my way back if I just took the toll road, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm literally about to pull up. Alright, so we got the wheels, but I have to make a quick detour because we are dangerously low on gas. This car just completely dropped on gas quick, and luckily I have the E85 app downloaded, and there's an E85 station. If it's closed, woo, E85, thank God. You can see here, we ain't got no gas, but there's the E85, thank God. And we're gonna go ahead and fill her up, man. Jesus, that was close. I'm never getting this car that low on gas. I did not want to do that, but I just realized, like, last second, I was like, wait, I don't have enough gas to get home. All right, so pumping that E85. We got real lucky, but you guys can see here, picked up some Weld Prostars, man. We got some boomer tires on them. Those will be swapped out, but these are gonna look real good on the black. Pretty similar to what we got right now, but obviously the 15s, I got the other front runner in the trunk, but I think these are gonna look real good. Now they even have like the holes that they did like the redneck beadlock. Let me know down in the comment section if these are safe to run. I didn't notice this until I actually got there because they were not in the pictures, but I got a really good deal on them. So if I have to get 2 new rears, it's not that big of a deal, but I'm pretty sure that it will be okay because it isn't losing air and it's not where like the B technically is. So I think we'll be good. The front runners obviously are legit. I do have the center caps that I'm gonna get 2 new ones because these are old. But they should work. Oh man, I'm actually pretty far from where I gotta be right now. So I'll pick up the camera when I'm kind of closer to the house because I'm like in Port Arthur right now, which is pretty far. Pretty far, because I had to make this detour and there was no E85 stations, but there was one by Port Arthur, so fuck it. I had to go ahead and make it happen. I'm actually gonna go ahead and turn this wheel around just so the face of it isn't toward the door, just in case I make some turns. But yeah, obviously these tires are gonna get replaced. They're like some Arturo, whatever the hell they are, but the wheels actually look pretty good. I'm gonna get them polished, ceramic coated, because they are obviously just the polished faces, and these will get dirty and they will have water spots on like a motherfucker if I don't get that done. So I'm gonna get that done before I put on the Mickeys and obviously the front runners as well. So as you guys can see here, man, we got the welds. Whew. 15-inch Prostars. These are 15x4. Cannot wait to get these front runners on here. And we got some 15x10 Weld Prostars as well. These are the 6.5-inch back spacing, so they're gonna look great. I had 6.5-inch back spacing on the white 2-valve with the S71s when I had that car, and man, it looked crazy. But this time we got the full setup. It looks pretty similar to kind of what I have on the car right now. I kind of wanted to keep a similar look, so I did like having, you know, the polished on black. I didn't want to do black on black. I feel like that'd be way too boring. Now I am considering going ahead and getting some murdered out tails when I do get these wheels on, and I'm also considering going ahead and putting on the white side marker headlights when I do get the wheels on as well. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys would do. Would you leave it alone? Honestly, I think it looks more OEM plus the way it is right now with the current wheels, and honestly with the welds as well, because these are gonna look pretty crazy. I don't really know exactly what type of tires these are. They're like some Azero, whatever these are. I don't know what are these. As whatever the hell they are, you know, they're not going to be on the car. So if you guys like these Arturo, whatever, if you guys like Arturo tires, they're 275 60/15. Those will be for sale. Come pick them up. Like, they'll be for cheap. These front runners, these are some OG Mickey Thompson fronts. I'm gonna go ahead and get some newer ones. They have a newer design. I'm gonna get the fronts for this car as well. And obviously I'm not gonna run a 275 60 because I will go ahead and mess with the RPMs with the 355 gears and the stock 3650. The car is not going to be pulling as hard as it does right now. With the 275 60, I'll be going down to 275 50 15s with the new wheels and tire setup. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just I'm either going to get Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's or the R's for the back, and then obviously I'm just going to get some matching front runners Mickey Thompson as well, bias ply on the front, just to go ahead and save some weight, but at the same time kind of have it look as clean as possible. Man, these are gonna look nuts on the car. And to be fair, like, I don't think it's gonna look goofy in the front as well, just because technically the tire is taller with the skinny, so it's probably gonna look somewhat similar. The rear, it might not poke out as much, but it might compensate because we're gonna be running the 50 instead of the 35. So I think this is gonna look nuts. Whew, this is gonna look crazy. I think I cannot wait to get these mounted. Again, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about, you know, the ghetto beadlock. The tires are holding air. Ain't nothing really going on with it. Got a good deal on these already, and then because of that I got an even better deal. So if you guys think I should just go ahead and get some all new rears, I'll do that. But for this car, I'm like, if it works type deal. So I think it'll work with this. You really honestly can't even tell with the polished and the black. It's just gonna blend right in together. So I think it's gonna look damn good, in my personal opinion. I think it's gonna look pretty rock solid. So yeah, man, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about the wheels. Personally, for me, super clean, really liking them. Only thing I'm gonna be concerned about is if when I do switch out the tires, if they're gonna be holding air, which I think they will. So if you guys enjoy and are excited, feel free to drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Again, I'm gonna be going ahead and getting the front brakes because I can't even put those 15s on if I wanted to right now. I'm gonna get the front brakes situated, and then I'm gonna do the whole thing all at the same time, just so there is no uneven wear with the rears and the front. It's just gonna be a fresh setup, and then we can go ahead and test. Now I am gonna go ahead and get the seat that I wanna get in the car. That's gonna happen. Hopefully it comes quick. It's supposed to come in like 10-15 days, so we'll see about that. It is the holidays. And then obviously we gotta get that clutch situated, but I'm not putting the car in the shop like right now. It wouldn't even be possible. Everybody's out for the holidays anyway. So, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.